Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to enable end-to-end encryption on Element. So first thing that you will do guys is of course go ahead and go to their website element.io and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now once you are here guys, first thing that you will do is you could just simply go ahead and go to one of your space first. Then you can just simply go to one of your room that you want to enable the end-to-end encryption with. And you will have an option at the top right corner of the screen, room info. Over here, the letter I. Now, a side tab will pop up. And as you can see, you will have an option down below, settings. Click on this one. And now you will have an option over here, security and privacy. And as you can see, you will have an option, encryption over here. And remember that once this is enabled, encryption cannot be disabled. So once you have turned this on, guys, remember that you cannot undo it. So make sure that you have decided. So just simply select on that and you will have another warning that if you are sure you want to add encryption into this public room. And pretty much you can just simply select OK if you want to proceed, and another message will pop up and just simply select OK again. And pretty much over here you will have an option as well that only send messages to verified users if that's what you want to filter out. And pretty much if you scroll down below, you will have other options about security and privacy. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.